Afternoon, Ainsley. Hope you're going well. What are we up to? August, our state of the market update. How are
Yes,
you?
it is. Yeah, I'm good. Good. It's raining, so I'm not a big fan of winter. Not many of us are, but hey, we live in Victoria, so we deal with it, don't we? At least we get a variety of seasons down here.
We do
Um,
get the right. Yeah,
yeah, yeah. And hey, you've been overseas lately to catch up with the rest of our team.
that's it.
How
Yeah,
was
we've
that
had
over in the Philippines?
half the team in Cebu in the Philippines. That was absolutely excellent. Great to see the team. Training. Training both ways. So it was great. Really good time.
Excellent. Well, I guess we should start off this month's update with inflation and how it came through and what your magic ball is saying in the future.
Yeah, sure. So the interesting. This is after our update a month ago. Then the inflation numbers came in a bit better than expected. So, according to the website that we look at, on a regular basis, the Australian Stock Exchange website, instead of this percentage chance of an increase of rates, now there's a 30% chance of a drop at the next meeting on the 24th of September. So 70% chance of no change, but 30% chance of there being a drop. So that's certainly nice that at least there's a chance of a drop rather than the chance of the increase. So hopefully there is some light at the end of the tunnel at some stage soon.
Fingers are crossed.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I guess we can just have a quick chat about a few other things that we've been seeing in the last month. So in regards to the property market, buying and selling, what have you been seeing?
Yeah. A real mixture. I know we've mentioned places like Perth and Adelaide before where it's still very much a seller's market. So buying is tough because things are selling very quickly. So, but the flip side of that, then you have Sydney, which is more of a balanced market. But Melbourne, as an example, at the moment, it's definitely more of a buyer's market. So a lot more listings, so places hitting the market for sale compared to the sales going through. And we're certainly seeing that with our clients. Those who are pre-approved are generally buying, and sometimes without too much competition. Does depend where, of course, in the city, but yeah, we do have a lot of clients in Melbourne, so that's been very interesting to see.
Yeah, we have had a few buys lately in the last few weeks, haven't we? So yeah, that's been fun, hasn't
it? Yeah.
Always love getting people into their homes, their new homes. It's so rewarding, I guess. I really love it, especially the first time buyer.
Yeah.
What about in terms of our applications, I guess, and we're looking at refinancing for those who aren't buying. We've been having we've had to spread, I guess, our valuations out a little bit across all lenders. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah. So I think valuations just seem more critical than ever at the moment because we're just seeing such a variance. So I know there was one that we were just doing yesterday down on the Surf Coast in Victoria, and the valuation difference was between 1.05, so $1.05 up to 1.25, really. So a $200,000 difference. So the benefit with having so many lenders on panel, yes, we want to get a low rate, of course, but that's not that relevant, of course, if the valuation doesn't come in at the right numbers. We don't want people paying mortgage insurance. So doing multiple valuations at the moment is just so important to getting the number that we need, and then we can be good to go. So that bit of extra persistence is paying off.
Yeah, absolutely. That does give us more scope, I guess, and more options to provide to the customer too, because we have so many lenders we can go to.
Yeah.
I guess I think we should address the elephant in the room, which is the cost of living crisis that's happening in the country. I guess we should address it at some point because there are a lot of people who are struggling out there, and there are ways that we can help them with their cash flow. And we have done so. We've got quite a few new clients who have come to us from existing clients to see if we can assist, and we have. Do you want to just talk us through what we can do? I mean, we're talking to our existing clients now, I suppose. What do you want to say to them?
Yeah. Well, probably first of all, thank you, because our existing clients are amazing at telling their friends.
Yeah.
And we're always grateful for that. And we love helping your friends, your family, your work colleagues. So we're seeing a lot of that at the moment. Sometimes it's helping to keep people in their current homes in terms of
Yeah.
people at the moment with repayments. And sometimes it's not. Sometimes so they can go and buy an investment property. Some people are doing absolutely fine as well. But yes, there are plenty of people struggling. So what we're doing at the moment, we haven't really made a big announcement about it, but when we're getting referrals from our clients for friends of theirs, if that turns into a discussion where we're getting documents from their friend to see if we can get an option, then yeah, at the moment we're sending a $50 gift card, and just a gesture. It means a lot to us, and yeah, and I've been, I guess we've both been very, I don't know about surprised, but people have been very appreciative of that, because people are just doing it to help their friends, but it's
Yeah.
We're certainly very grateful from our side as well. So we love our existing clients, and we love helping your friends and family. So yeah, we should wrap it up. Yeah, we're probably on the clock, aren't we? So
we've gone a bit long.
So until September, which the football finals around the country are all coming up. So I guess good luck to everyone's team. But otherwise, till next month, have a great month.